Hey guys, this is Neil here from InDepth Tech. So today in this video we are gonna see how to trigger Alexa routines with the Sonos Zigbee temperature or the humidity sensor and also the smart button. So guys, if you are aware, you can easily create Alexa routines with the motion sensor and the door sensor, but you cannot create Alexa routines with the temperature or the humidity sensor and also the smart button. So guys, in today's video we'll be seeing how to create Alexa routines for both of these sensors. So let's get started. So guys, first let us see how to trigger Alexa routines with the motion sensor and the door sensor. So if I just go ahead and open the Alexa app, click on more routines, tap the plus icon. When this happens, smart home. So guys, if you can see, the door sensor and the motion sensor is synced, but the temperature sensor and the smart button are not synced. So guys, now just go ahead and click on skills and games. Then go ahead and search for IFTTT trigger. Click on the first option. Unable to use. Login with Amazon. Go ahead and sign in with your Amazon account. Sign in. So guys, now just go ahead and open the IFTTT app. Click on explore. Just search for Alexa. So guys, as you can see, there's an action named Alexa Actions by MK Zensi. So guys, as you can see, I have already logged in with my account. So you need to log in with the same account which is linked with your Alexa. So now just go ahead and click on create. If this, add. So guys, as you know that these sensors are from EV-Link app and I have already linked my EV-Link account with the IFTTT platform. So I'll just go ahead and search for EV-Link. So guys, you also know that the EV-Link app has started charging for the IFTTT platform, which is around $10 a year, in which you can trigger automations using any of these sensors. So guys, we'll be creating two triggers. So we'll just search for Zigbee smart button. Okay, Zigbee wireless switch press. Which device? I'll just select the button. So as you guys know, there are three modes for the smart button: a single press, a double press and a long press. So I'll just go ahead and click on pressed, which is the single press. Continue. Then I'll just click on MK Zensi, send actions, select trigger 1, continue. Finish. So guys, now we'll create a trigger for the temperature sensor. So just go ahead and click on create. With this EV-Link, search for temperature sensor. So temperature goes above or below. Which device? Temperature above 33 degrees. Continue. Then search for MK ZENSE. Actions, send trigger 2, continue, finish. So guys, here we have created two automations. So now we need to go to the Alexa app, click on more routines. Click on the plus icon. When this happens, smart home. So guys, here as you can see, now there are three options more: IFTTT trigger 1, 2 and 3. So you just need to go ahead and click on the trigger 1, for which we had created an automation for the smart button. Save. Actions. So guys, here I want that the Alexa should read my emails and also if there are any events in my calendar. Next. So guys, here we can also control our smart home devices which are linked with the Alexa, but you can also control devices directly from the IFTTT platform. But still, I'll just show you. Click on Add Actions. Click on Smart Home. Lights. So if I just go ahead and click on my bedroom light. Next. Power off. Next. Save. Alexa will respond from News Echo Show. So now we'll create the IFTTT trigger for the temperature and the humidity sensor. So follow the same process. Click on the plus icon. When this happens, Smart Home trigger 2. Save. Add actions. So now I want that whenever the temperature rises by 33 degrees, Alexa should inform me. So I'll just go ahead and click on Alexa says, customize. I'll just type the temperature is above 33 degrees. Next. Also, I'll add an action for the weather. So I'll just go ahead and add a weather action, a weather report. Next. Save. Respond to News Echo Show. So guys, now let us go ahead and see if this automation works. So I'll just go ahead and give a single press. As you can see, the light is off.
For me in the last day. There's nothing on the calendar for the rest of the day.
And it showed me my email and the calendar. So guys, now let us go ahead and see if the temperature sensor is able to trigger the Alexa routine. So just go ahead and open the EV-Link app. So as you can see, the temperature right now is 29.4 degrees. So let's just go ahead and place the temperature sensor above the candle. $30 degrees, 31.8, 32.9, 33.7.
The temperature is above 33 degrees. Right now in Mumbai, Maharashtra, it's 30 degrees Celsius with partly cloudy skies. Tonight's forecast has showers.
So guys, as you saw, the temperature sensor triggered the Alexa routine. So guys, by using this method, you can trigger Alexa routines with the help of the smart button and also the temperature and the humidity sensor. So guys, as you know that the EV-Link app is charging $10 a year for the IFTTT subscription. So if you just need to control automation or any other devices, you can actually create them directly from the IFTTT app. You don't need to create routines on the Alexa application. But if you have a smart device which does not support the IFTTT platform but it supports Alexa, so you can directly control the device from your Alexa using the routine. So that's it for today guys. I hope you like this video. I'll be making more home automation videos just like this. So don't forget to hit the like button. If you're new, please subscribe. Also hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.